Messy buns are quite a challenge for everyone with fine, thin hair. But we know 3 ways to make it. The first one, cute messy bun. Start by brushing your hair gently and pulling it up into a high ponytail. You can see how thin and tiny the ponytail is. Is it possible to wrap it into a large messy bun? It is, when you know some handy hair hacks. Do not smooth your hair when making a ponytail to make it look full of volume and messy rather than slick. When the ponytail is tied, pull even more hair to the front, creating some kind of bouffant. Then, tease your ponytail with your brush. Don't be too harsh with your thin hair as it is prone to damage. Just gently tease your pony from the middle down to the base, and then, a few times, down from the very tips. Thus, just grab and pin hair, creating a messy bun. Don't worry about any specific technology to do this. Do not twist or rub the base with your hair. Just place it in the way to avoid any see-through areas. Don't try to hide the tips. They will look perfectly fine in a messy bun and will just add the additional volume and intended messiness to the hairstyle. Finish the look by pulling and styling some front pieces. The second way to create a huge messy bun for thin hair is by using a modified donut bun maker. Start with a loose high ponytail. Give the front of your hair voluminous and messy. If you made it slick, don't worry. Just pull hair to the sides. You may use dry shampoo to make your fine hair have more structure. Take a common donut maker matching your hair color, but cut the tape holding it in a tight round form and unroll it. That's what you are going to get. Wrap the unrolled donut maker around the base of your ponytail and secure it with pins. Just a few will be enough. Distribute hair in your ponytail evenly to all the sides. Then grab individual strands and pin them to the base. Don't make hair wrap the bun tightly to create a voluminous look. Do not worry. The wrapped bun maker ensures the bun stays high and looks awesome. way to make a messy bun with your fine, short hair is to clip in hair extensions. Get a hair extension ready by brushing it through and then clipping the clips of the base. It is better to clip in additional hair right near the temples. This is where it will blend more naturally and will not cause any discomfort. So, pull your hair up and clip it on top so that it doesn't tangle with your extensions. A handy tip is to tease the roots to make the clips have a better grip with your fine hair. Then, place the pieces and press gently to make a clip snap on your hair. Lay your hair down and brush gently to make your hair blend perfectly. Then put your hair in a high ponytail. See how long and voluminous it is now? Now separate the ponytail into 2 strands and then again split them in half, twisting strands around each other. This makes a perfect blend of colors, so even if your extensions didn't match very well, you will have just an awesome highlights in your bun now. Twist 2 twisted parts of the ponytail around each other. The next step is to wrap the twisted hair around the ponytail, securing it with bobby pins. Tug and pull on the sections to make them fluffier. Pull and pin the sections as you like it. Cheap extensions may be not very obedient. A great hack is to spray dry shampoo to add more structure. Don't be afraid to pull out too much hair. You can always get it into the right place with an extra bobby pin.